Hi guys, in this video we talk about the OnePlus 12 versus ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra. OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $700 and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $800. The dimension is same, not much difference. And the weight of these devices, the OnePlus 12 have 220 grams and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have 246 grams. And the build, the OnePlus 12 front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the same ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM. The display, the OnePlus 12 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color display and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with AMOLED 1 billion color. And the both mobile screen size is same, 6.82 inches and 6.80 inches. And the resolution, the OnePlus 12 1440 by 31 368 pixel and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 1116 by 2480 pixels. And the PPI density, the OnePlus 12 510 and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have 400. And the OnePlus 12 and ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have 120Hz refresh rate, and the screen to body ratio is same, not much difference. And the both mobile come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And OnePlus 12 have 4500 nits peak brightness and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra have 1500 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The OnePlus 12 come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto. And Hasselblad color calibration. It's record 8K 30fps video. And the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel, the ultra wide 50 megapixel and the 64 megapixel periscope telephoto. It's also record 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera of these devices, the OnePlus 12 come with 32 megapixel HDR 4K 60fps video record selfie camera. And the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 16 megapixel under display HDR 1080p by 60fps video record selfie camera. The platform, the OnePlus 12 and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor, and it have a Adreno 750 GPU and also come with Android 14. The memory of these devices, the OnePlus 12 and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM and 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. It has not any SD card supported. The battery, the OnePlus 12 come with 5400 mAh battery and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra come with 6000 mAh battery. The OnePlus 12 come with 100 watt fast charging and the ZTE Nubia 60 Ultra come with 80 watt fast wire charging, and the OnePlus 12 come with 50 watt wireless charging and the ZTE not available any wireless charging. The both mobile come with 5G network, and the common and features is same in both mobiles. The result, the OnePlus 12 got 24 points and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra got 22 points.